Hi everyone, hope you had a great day. Today I'm going to be covering record-breaking winter storm and potentially ice storm Tabitha. As you can see here, from the previous update, the winter storm warnings are now a lot more widespread, stretching from Colorado all the way through Mississippi, and this will continue to expand to the northeast. And also, like I mentioned in my previous video from yesterday, that the winter storm watches will extend. Sure enough, they did. And they will still continue to expand. It's just still a couple days away, so some things need to be figured out. Now here, you can expect here you can expect a heavy snowfall event right here in the down here, heavy snowfall too, but then some ice as well. And then both of these features will point to the northeast, as you can see in my drawing. And then right now we do have a ice storm warning and a winter storm warning in effect for Virginia. That's for the current system, not Tabitha. Expect at least another tenth of an inch of icing in the ice storm warning. So now I will show you what the model says snowfall-wise. So here's what the RWEPS says, which is pretty decent, I guess. So it would show a pretty sharp snowfall gradient right here in the northeast, like some here, but it's like boom, goes from 4 to 8. Talk about snow curtain. And then in the high elevation, some 12 to 15-inch amounts are possible, and then along the lake where there could be some help from lake enhancement. Oh, good old lake enhancement, am I right? Anyways, down here there could also be some 12+ inch amounts, which is what's gonna make this major. Another thing that's gonna make it major will be strong winds, and with those strong winds will come very dangerous wind chills, perhaps down to -35 in Oklahoma and then -25 in Texas. And then it sort of weakens here, but then still widespread 4 to 7 inches before it re-strengthens, points to the northeast. Oh, and also, this is happening right now, but some thunder snow is actually occurring in New Mexico along with very heavy wet snow. So that's pretty interesting, pretty rare down there, so. But yeah, some certain people are excited. The GDPS is a bit less, but GDPS is actually pretty accurate, but sometimes it has been accurate, but well. It would show mainly widespread 6 to 11 inches here. Then up here, maybe some 14-inch amounts. Then again, widespread 4 to 6 inches here before it re-strengthens. And then some local amounts of up to 18 inches in the higher elevations. GFS is a bit weaker down here, but it would still be a major. I mean, they're not used to it, and not only that, but they just do not have enough snowfall removal equipment. And same thing for salt, they just do not have enough because, they're not typically hit with this much of a scale of snow. Then this one actually has to be a little bit more intense over here. That could be a problem, but so far it's looking more like a half ice, half snow thing. But then it is more intense over the northeast, widespread 12 to 16 inches in these pinks. Then lastly, we have the GFSV 16, which is probably the most intense area-wise out of all of the models. Slightly less, but it's over a greater area, and in many places greater intensity. I mean, if this happens, this is gonna be pretty bad. Now I'm gonna, let's see here. Let's look at freezing rain. See what it's up to. Yeah, see, they've decreased from yesterday. Still up to 3/4 of an inch in spots, which is a lot. Trees will snap, power lines will snap, roads will be hacked. Oh, yikes. Okay, I don't think it will get quite that high. There. Yep. So, that's the video for today.